So what we are going to do, Arya?
We're going to do
Look. I wrote Arya's name, if you can see that, Arya's name with the help of mask tape on this white paper. So now Arya is going to paint her name with the help of
painting.
With the help of colors and glitters. And this is what we call it?
Sponge.
Yeah, sponge. So, what do we say?
What do we say? Let's get started. Welcome to Arya's Wonderland.
Which color you want to use first?
Red color.
Red color. You need my help. Just you need to put the colors. Oh, one red, two red, three red. Which is the Arya's favorite color?
Red.
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 Okay, now which color?
Oh, close the tab. Close the top.
Oh, you close it.
Yeah, you got to the close the tab.
I forgot to close.
You got.
Okay. So,
No.
which color is this?
Blue color.
Blue.
Oh, you're doing.
So, we put some blue also. Okay.
But I don't have. I want so many rainbow.
Rainbow color. So, let's use which color is this?
Yellow. You got
This
to
is-
close the tab.
Oh, I'm so sorry again.
You need to close all your orange.
Okay. So, which color is this?
Yellow.
Can you open it?
Okay. What do you need to close this orange?
Okay, okay.
And also green color.
Yeah. Just put some yellow also.
I put only blue.
Okay. Wow. So many colors, Arya.
Yeah, I don't have violet and purple and light blue. But we have only 4 colors.
Okay.
Not 5 colors.
No, we have black also. Now what about green? We can use. Which color is this?
You got to close the tab. And also you need to practice to close the tab.
It's not God for. It's for God.
Mm.
Okay. Now which color is this?
Green.
Open this. Open.
That's so hard today. Then we need to tap. It is.
Now let's start tapping. Just tapping, okay?
Orange.
You want orange also? Okay. Let's put some orange.
All. Don't finish. Only little bit. It's
Okay.
full.
Now it's
full.
done.
Yeah.
Look, so many colors in Arya's name. Now, what you're going to do?
Tapping.
Yes, do that. Tap it. Yeah, good. It's okay.
It's okay. Go.
Give me. It's okay.
Ini hard.
It's okay.
Ini.
We're going to use glitters. Yes, so we are going to use 3 glitters, okay?
Now let it dry. Nice. Now it's dry.
Yeah, now we are going to remove the tape and Mama is going to help you, okay?
Yeah,
You-
now. See my name? Thank you for watching. Bye. I will see you next time. Click here for Arya's Wonderland.
Okay, bye.